Hey all, welcome back. It's me, Kevin. I'm a small YouTuber, and as of today, I've been uploading 1 to 2 videos every week without missing a single week, and I have produced close to 100 videos. And in the past year, I have so many questions as a small YouTuber. Some questions answered, some questions unanswered, and at the same time, I also get a lot of questions from other small YouTubers asking me some strategies and methods on how to grow their YouTube channel. So today, I want to share with you some answers to some of the most commonly asked questions, as well as questions that frustrates the hell out of us as small YouTubers. And these are all based on my experience in the past year as a small YouTuber, so please leave me a comments down below if you feel the same way. And I'm going to be brutally honest with you, so if you can't handle the truth, then this video probably isn't for you. Okay, let's start with the most frequently asked questions. How do I get more subscribers? People ask me this question all the time, and it's only natural, right? If you're starting a YouTube channel, if you're a new YouTuber, then your focus will definitely be getting more subscribers. And the answer to that is there's actually no proven methods on how you can get more subscribers. The thing is, when it comes to getting more subscribers, it is actually beyond your control because the person watching your video is the ones that decides whether they should click on subscribe or not. Besides that, there are just too many variables and dependencies when it comes to getting people to subscribe to your channel, such as your chosen niche, your content, your delivery, your character, just to name a few. If you're just starting out on YouTube, then my advice to you is to just completely ignore your subscriber count because it just drains you in the long run. Instead, if you're just starting out on your YouTube journey, then you should be focusing more on your content and your content delivery. Because in my opinion, trying to get more views is a lot more important than trying to get more subscribers. But I'll tell you more on that later. Because first, I want to answer the main question in this video. How do small YouTubers make money? So there are actually a couple of methods here, believe it or not. And most people only know one method, and that is trying to get monetized by joining the YouTube Partner Program. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you achieve that, you can then apply to join the YouTube Partner Program, and if you're successful, you can then start running YouTube ads on your videos and start earning some money. And I reckon most small YouTubers out there, they probably set this as their first goal if they're serious about YouTube. The second method is pretty cool, and I do this myself as well, and that is affiliate marketing. And you can do affiliate marketing even without joining the YouTube Partner Program. You might have seen this in most YouTube videos as well, where if you look at their description, there are a couple of affiliate links to Amazon or TubeBuddy, where if you click on it and you make a purchase, they will get some commission out of it. The way they do it is in their video, they might talk about some gadgets or some tools or an investment platform that they use that you might be interested as well because it helps them in some way, so it might help you as well. So they try to make it easy for you to purchase it by putting the link in the description. For example, I might recommend you to get the Blue Yeti Nano microphones if you're starting out your YouTube journey, because we all know that creating a YouTube video isn't just about the video itself, but audio needs to be extremely good quality. A bad audio can drive viewers away. And then I'll put a link in the description down below, and if you do choose to buy it, I will then get a small commission from Amazon. By the way, this is actually a really good mic, and I highly recommend you get one if you're serious about running a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description down below. Now, the third method isn't used quite a lot, but I do see a fair number of small YouTubers doing it, myself included, and that is selling a service. Like for me, I talk about growing a YouTube channel, and sometimes there are viewers who find some values in what I have to say, so they might send me a message in Instagram asking for further guidance. And in my experience, there are two types of people: the ones who are serious about running a YouTube channel and the ones who treat YouTube channel as a hobby. The ones who are serious about running a YouTube channel, they would approach me and they would ask me to coach them, and they would be willing to pay me for my time. And believe it or not, I do have some clients even if my subscriber count isn't that high. And you may think that that's really weird, but I'll explain why that's the case at the end of this video. So the next thing you might ask is, well, if I want to get paid for creating content on YouTube, then I still need to know how to grow my YouTube channel. So my question is, how do I grow my YouTube channel? For me, if you're asking this question, then that shows that you're not running your YouTube channel correctly, because this question is very generic and it kind of shows that you're not really sure what you're doing. But that's fine, because I myself was asking this question as well, and I found that the answer to this is very simple, and that is I just have to start from the basics. I need to start creating content and improve on my content delivery. Look, the truth is, whatever topic or niche you choose for your YouTube channel, 90% of the time it is not going to work out well for you, because your YouTube channel is small and people still don't know who you are. But instead of getting all frustrated and angry about this, I would take this time to actually practice on my content delivery and my presentation, because what I found was that when I first started my YouTube channel, and I hate to tell you this, but every video I create, I think that it is the best and everyone is going to watch it. But the truth is, no one actually cares, because everyone in this world will think that they are interesting, myself included. I actually think that I'm interesting, but the views on my videos shows that I'm not an interesting person. As a matter of fact, I thought that I was really good when I created my first video, and now that I watched it back a year later, I felt like I'm someone who doesn't even know how to create a video. Okay, so the first thing you should be focusing on are your content delivery and your presentation. The next thing you should be focusing on are your gears. Now, I personally wouldn't recommend you to get a camera just for the sake of recording your videos, because cameras are so expensive these days and you're not really sure if you are serious about running a YouTube channel. I say that you just start off recording your video using your phone. As a matter of fact, I'm still using my phone to record this video because that's more than enough. But I do recommend you to invest in a microphone, because a bad audio tends to drive away your viewers more often than a bad video. And most small YouTubers, they start out with little to no budget. So to me, a video quality isn't as important as your audio quality and your content. So if you want to invest in anything for your YouTube channel, make sure you invest in a microphone. Now, that's my recommendation to you if you do not know what you're doing. But what if you're like most of us small YouTubers who have been creating content after content and we're still not getting anywhere? What can we do to get more views and more subscribers so that our channel is moving forward? I guess this is one of the most frustrating questions for all of us small YouTubers. And I myself am part of the group. I have watched tons of how to grow your YouTube channel by so many different YouTubers. And I come into conclusion on one very important point that every small YouTubers are getting it wrong. Small YouTubers are not growing simply because they are not asking the right question. End of story. Now I know you look extremely confused, so let me be perfectly honest with you. There is not a single YouTuber out there who knows how to grow your YouTube channel. The only person who can grow your YouTube channel is you, because you have access to your own channel's analytics. Believe me, I've tried every single strategies every YouTuber has advised me to do, and sometimes their strategies are conflicting one another, and that's not their fault, because the strategies and methods that they advise me to do, it might have worked for them, but it might not work for me. The thing is, you can use their keywords, you can follow their thumbnail, you can copy their title, but you cannot be them. You can't speak like them, you can't behave like them, and maybe you don't have the same charm like they do. But what you do have is your own unique characteristics that I believe is what attracts new viewers to you. And that is why my opinion has always been to focus on creating content, improving your content delivery, even if the topic has already been covered by other YouTubers. So now you might be thinking, I can't just focus on my content, I also need to focus on getting more views and getting more subscribers. Well, yeah, and that is why running a YouTube channel can be fun and frustrating at the same time if you do not see your views and your subscribers pouring in. A couple of months ago, I was actually in that position, and I would like to share with you one thing that would make this whole experience a lot easier. Do not focus on getting more subscribers. Instead, focus on getting more views. And I say that for several reasons. One, you do not have control over how someone decides to subscribe to your channel or not, but you do have control over how many views you can get on a video, because you you have access to your channel analytics and you know which topic works really well for your channel. So that's an option for you. 2. Remember how I said when you're monetized, you can start making money off YouTube ads? Well, that's calculated based on how many times the ad pops up in your video. So the more views you get, the more ads pop up is going to happen and the more money you can get. 3. If you're planning into getting sponsorship, then you may already know that sponsors only look at how many views you get in your videos and they do not care about how many subscribers you have. So if you're a small YouTuber, my advice to you is this. Look at your channel analytics and look at how many views you get per day or the last 48 hours and try to improve that little by little. If you're getting 50 views a day, try and improve that to 100 views a day and then 200 views a day and then so on and so forth. That to me is far more achievable than say get someone to subscribe to your channel, because let's face it, if the people like you, they will subscribe. If they do not like you, they are not going to subscribe. And that is why you should always try to be yourself in your videos and provide as much value as possible for your viewers, because only then when people feel like you're being authentic, that you're being real, people are attracted to you and that is when they will subscribe. And also that's how I actually got my clients, because some of my videos have provided some values to them and they feel like I can help them out. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, please do give this video a like and please leave a comment below as well. Share with us what are the most frustrating moments for you as a small YouTuber. And actually, that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.